Hi everyone, this is Ed again from Mr. C's Auto Mart, showing you today another new arrival of silver 2014 Kia Optima LX. Very fuel efficient car. It's got the 4-cylinder turbo GDI engine, and it's in tremendous condition. We fully service our cars. This car has been fully serviced and even has 4 brand new tires that we installed. Certified clean CARFAX history, supplemental turn signals on the exterior mirrors. So we cruise back here to the back. It is GDI. The fuel efficiency is about 40 miles per gallon on the highway. And again, it's in superior condition. We have all high quality cars. We want to make sure the cars here are fully serviced and ready to go, and this is a great example. So it's got tan cloth seats. You see the driver's seat has a multi-adjustable adjustable lumbar, and as we get inside the car, you'll see it has steering wheel controls for Bluetooth. It has a trip computer and a vehicle settings. So you see here it's telling us we have low washer fluid at 121,633 miles. Here's the media center, AM FM CD, the UVO media hub with a USB and aux. And here's our rear backup camera. So a great fuel efficient car. Kia's got just a continually improving quality ratings by the most stringent sources like JD Power. So we'd invite you to come by and take a look. You can call me. This car is on MrC'sAutoMart.com, and my name is Ed. You can call me at 708-473-2014. Thanks.